First of all, a big thank you to all the people sitting here. You guys have made this event more than possible. And Dan, Lakshmi, and all you guys sitting here. Vivek, a big compliment to you. I think you and Anil have been the drivers of this marathon. I am honored actually to be the face of the marathon. It's my longest standing association, probably one of the longest standing associations of any brand ambassador across a brand. And I take a lot of pride in saying that, we do so much good for different charities. And that's one of the biggest drivers why we all are here. And that's why I have a lot of respect for all the people sitting here, because we're actually driving the largest charity across the country. So just being the face is giving me an opportunity to be credible. And thank you so much for that. And I'd like to also thank the media actually for supporting this, because it's very important that people out there actually see us and come in droves and come in numbers, and that's exactly what's happening. This marathon has grown by leaps and bounds, and it's the only one day that I wish Mumbai was like that 365 days. It's a fantastic day. Please watch Mumbai this Jan 17th on a Sunday. It's the way Mumbai should be every day. It's lovely.
To all our panelists, just request that we have a small photo op with the A6 Finisher Tee, which is a new addition this year. Thank you.
I've been the face of the Mumbai Marathon now for 11 years, and it's been a fantastic association, and it's the most credible association that a celebrity can have with a brand. I love everything about Mumbai on that day. The spirit of Mumbaikars, the way the city has been planned on that day, thanks to the municipal corporation, thanks to everybody, the army, the navy. I think Mumbai is ideal on a Sunday when the marathon happens. And I wish Mumbai was like that every year. It's a fantastic place. I would like to run the full marathon because हर रोज़ on an average I probably run close to a half marathon, क्योंकि वो मेरे exercise का जो pattern है, वो schedule है, उस हिसाब से मैं I do about 15-16 kilometers वैसे ही. तो getting out there on the road and running एक बहुत ही मुश्किल चीज़ है, बहुत ही credible है. तो मैं जो भी भाग रहे जो participants हैं, I think a big congratulations to them for actually running 42 kilometers and 21 kilometers. बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ होता है वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे जो आप spirit की बात कर रहे हो, the spirit of Mumbaikars actually shows out there because they actually come with water and drinks and everything to give the people.